The festival of light, the celebration of happiness, Diwali brings a world of brightness and joy into our lives.
Diwali is not just about lighting the lamps, it is lighting our lives. It is a reminder that after every dark phase, there is a bright sun which is brighter than ever.
On this Diwali, let your dreams fly high, your heart be filled with love, and your homes be filled with peace and prosperity. Embrace the joy and spread the lights.
As we light diyas to chase away the darkness, let's also ignite the light of love, kindness and the unity in our hearts. This Diwali, let's spread happiness not just within our homes but in the lives of those around us.
Hi friends, happy Diwali. Diwali is a festival I enjoy a lot. For this Diwali, I would like to give you a small message. Generally, the true spirit of Diwali lies in sharing and caring. For this year, let's light someone else's life. Your just small act of kindness will definitely brighten their life. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice and safe Diwali.
From all of us, we wish you a Diwali filled with immense joy, success and prosperity. May the festival of lights illuminate your life with endless happiness.
May every diya you light brings brightness to your life, and that brightness brings the success and fulfillment in your life.
So let's make this Diwali unforgettable. Share the joy, light up the world around you, and celebrate with full enthusiasm. Just like these fireworks are going to brighten the night sky, may your life always shine with the happiness.